Hello YouTube, Criticizing here with another tutorial video on how to get your chat interactive with your stream on Kick. This is something that a lot of people don't know that can be done. If you heard of it on Twitch, you can use Blerp on your Kick, which is very cool. It's like you can also use it as channel points or the beats they call it on Blerp, which if you're coming from Twitch, that's basically bits. For every beat you sell, they use on your channel, you get basically a penny for each beat. You can make them cost different beats for the channel. Like I only got 25, sometimes 10, some 50, and then up to 100. Some people even go higher than that. Channel points, you know, you can customize how much channel points they get in your stream. It's very easy to use. Just send them, but you'll have to go to the Blerp website. Tell your viewers that they want to use Blerp, they have to download the extension. Basically the extension goes up here at the top of their browser. You come over here, your channel sounds will be there, basically on your channel. Okay, so say like I'm at my stream, I have my chat up, right? Blerp will also come down here. You'll get points. You can favorite the sounds too and whatnot. I already got them all set up. So for the streamer though, to set it up, you just go to the universal extension. Basically download the you want to put the viewer link into your chat bot, your bot rigs, which I will also show how to do later on. You can even create your own stuff, your own sounds. It's very easy to do. Settings, you want to go to your settings. This is your viewer link. You can set up your payments. You can't withdraw until you make $25 or more in your wallet. As you see, I haven't made, because I figured this out recently. You can set down your cooldowns. Keep things on Blerp creative with automatic. You can turn that on automatic so it does automatic sounds constantly. You can choose the price, the points. This is where you get your OBS. You just copy that, put it in your browser source like you normally do for alerts, whatnot. You can change the actual source overlay, like here I'll hit test alert. There you go, you get something like that in your stream when people use it. You can actually ban people with, because sometimes on here you can, with Blerp on Twitch, you can actually go there and use your own Blerps, but I haven't figured that out on Kick yet. I haven't figured out like if you can use different Blerps than what the streamer has set up. I haven't figured that one out yet, but I'm pretty sure you can. It's very easy, super simple to set up. This will just get your chat going, something interactable, because there's not a lot on Kick right now. This is just something, you know, hopefully help you. Give them something for channel points, give them something for, you know, to make you a little extra income with the beats, and to make your streams more interesting. I hope this helped y'all. It's something very simple to do, and the next one will be how to get Discord, or not Discord. We're gonna be going over how to get Dixper working on your stream from Kick. Thank y'all and have a nice day, and please like, share, and follow and subscribe. Follow me on Kick, guys, if you want to catch me live. I'm live normally every day, sometimes only an hour at a time. It just depends. I am a father of two. Thank y'all and see y'all next time.